Hi friends, good afternoon. Let's start the next session. In this session, we are trying to learn how to create a view and do a data preview on that. Okay, so let's get started. So again, the same way I think I can remember how we have created the diagram, how to create the diagram. The same places like a data builder, you need to select to change it to create your view. Okay. So I'm again going to our common space. I think you already memorized this space. It is your space Y. Okay. Before going to that, I just would like to tell you one more things. Like you remember, at a point of time, once we are going to Y, we found there's no data or something. Now we have already loaded data, right? Now this Y space should have some data. Now we just go and check the monitor and check how it looks like. Say now you can remember, right? Schema space Y. I'm checking the schema space Y. See, and you can see, right? You can if all the data is available, this space and how much data, how much things, all the information is currently available with us. Okay, so previously remember, right? If you click on disk, so disk will be removed. If you can add, you can add the disk and memory, both the things together. So it's a disk is in memory, like all the information you can do. Okay, so you can see all the tables are showing in the sales order, addresses. You can remember the addresses. See the address, you can remember we have keep that, make the addresses as a in memory table. So see the address is footprinted here, mm, larger as it is in memory table. I can just would like to check one more things, like I didn't do the in memory for the space Y X. So let me check in space X how it looks like. See, in space addresses there is 0 blank, right? So in space X I have the same address table, but it is the in memory field is not on, so that's why it is not loaded into in memory by default. It is only in the disk. Okay, once you execute it will be coming to your in memory. But if you go to the space Y, you can see, as you remember, we have changed this thing to in memory. So due to that, if I go to space Y and if I go to the sorry, mm, okay, here also you can go to the monitor, see the addresses table. So it's in memory, it's already having it loaded in memory, you can see, right? So that is the way how you can load it in memory and what is not in memory. Okay, how you can understand on this. Let's come. So we can go to data builder and then and you can selecting the space. I'm sorry, I need to go to do it again. So I'm going to data builder. What is this? Indication manager. Okay, I'm going to select the space Y and I'm selecting the view. Now I'm creating a new graphical view. So once I'm creating a new graphical view, in the left hand panel, it's showing you all the tables and views what is available currently here. So we'll typically do a table graphical view with a sales order and sales order items. So I'm putting the sales order here and I am pulling the sales order item here. You can drag and drop it in the sales order on top of sales order, so it will be automatically joined. Okay, now see the view one. Once you drag and drop a sales order, the view one will be automatically created, which is nothing but your output view. Okay, now if I am removing one of them, so I think I can remove one of them. So see, it's 17 column and it's a 17 column, you can see, right? It's a 1-to-1 output. Okay, now if I can save and I can deploy, this is my view. Okay, I'm giving a name of my view, my view. So let it be saved. So it's saved, it's a cloud version, so it's taking a bit longer time, but however it is accessible. It's not, doesn't depend upon your system resources. It's only depends on the server. Okay, so once it is a view, see it has 17 column, all the 17 columns are here, right? Now you can here you can go in details and here you can list the list of columns. Okay, now there is a call distinct value, so it's nothing but select distinct, so that you can do on, do off. Okay, now here you have these columns, right? So now here you have some of this filter kind of information. Okay, so here you can put a filter. So this filter, where you would like to do a filter, you can do a filter, you can do a columns, so that all will be coming later. Okay, so for the timing we are not going to do that details. So just say it's a 17 column is replicate to 17 columns. Okay, now I am going to sales order item and put it there, and it's a joined, and it's probably it will take as an inner join. And now see it is a 24, now it is 17 and it's 13, but all the column which is matched is not pulling over here, only it is taking the other column which is required. Okay, and now question is how it's understand a requirement. So maybe what all column it doesn't match or extra column, those are coming over here. Okay, now go to this join and let's go to properties. Okay, so say it's the inner join, you can do it's a left outer, so you can do a left outer join, you can do a outer right outer join, full outer join, cross join, whatever you want. Okay, and you can select distinct value as well. Okay, so sales order, sales distribution, you have a mapping, you have map data, now you have a mapped, you have a unmapped information, all those is similar like your year model. Okay, so those are available. There's a lot of things that you can do, but just for the timing you will just going to do this part only. Okay, so I can save and I can do a deploy. So just wait for a minute, let it be saved, and then you'll deploy it. Okay, the same way we can add the business partner. It is nothing but joining with your sales order. So I'm putting a sales order, so business partner is joined with your sales order, you can see, right? And this is also nothing but your left outer inner join, so you can see it is the inner join. I would like to have a left outer join. Once it be a left outer join, you can save it. Now you can sales order is a left table and business partner is a right table. Okay, and it's have a exactly one is a one-to-one relationship, one-to-many, some whatever. So that is many relationship, 0 to 1 relationship I think is better, so I'm just giving so. Okay, and it's joining if 1 0 to 1, so it's 1 is this is small ball and there is no mark. Okay, so it's 0 to 1 sign. Okay, now I'm going to add the same things, the addresses with the business partner. I'm doing address with business partner. It will be by default, obviously it will be coming as in a join, but I would like to do it a left outer so that this should not drop off. So in case of any business partner who doesn't have an address, which should not be dropped off, so due to that I'm just doing a left outer join. I hope you can understand the concept. All our join are done. Now just I would like to do a save. I am like to do a deployment, so I just would like to do a deploy. So once it is deployed, it is available and we can do a data preview to understand our work. Okay, so now we're going to do it. There is a show or hide a data preview. So once we remove these things, it's a data preview. You can see the same data preview is available in the lower portion. So you can see if you go over here, you can see how many columns are available over here. It's almost 45 columns, adding all of them. So and these 45 columns are available over here. Okay, so you can go, you can check all those 45 columns. Now if you select one of them columns, so it will be you can do the sorting of this column, you can filtering a particular column. Not only that, even you can go to details, you can select any one of this column, and once you select a column, you can able to see where from this column is actually originated from. See, you can see, right? So that's it for now. The next session we will discuss detail about this modeling and all the other features. Thank you.